So electrical energy is equals to, the formula we have here is P into T, where P is equals to electrical energy divided by time taken T. So that we can write it as 1000 divided by 10. So 10 seconds means time taken is 10. So let's write it as same it is. So then when we divided, we get the answer 100 watt. So this is the answer we have got. And then we have define, the next question we have here is define average power. So we need to define average power. What do you mean by average power? So average power means it is the ratio of total work done to the total time taken. Okay, the question is that define average power. Define average power means it is the ratio of total work done to the total time taken. Okay, so even we can write it as average power is equals to total work divided by total time. So this is the answer. And the next question we have here is, a certain household has consumed 250 units of energy during a month. Okay, question is easy. One Maneli, they have consumed 250 units of energy. Okay, during for 1 month. 1 month ಗೆ 250 units na ಅವರು consume ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How much energy is this in joules? So we need to take it with joules. How much energy is in this joules? So let's write it as units is equals to 250 is equals to 250 kilowatt per hour. We know that 1 kilowatt per hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. So 250 is kilowatt hour is equals to 250 into 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. So when we calculate all this, we get the answer, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 8 joules. So this is the answer we have got. So even you children have to try like this. Okay, write with the data given and the formulas. So when you apply formulas and write, you will get the answer, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 8 joules. And the next question we have here is an electrical heater. Okay, an electrical heater is rated at 1500 watt. Okay, an electrical heater is rated at 1500 watt. How much energy is consumed in 10 hours? So it is that we need to calculate how much energy is consumed in 10 hours. Okay, so the answer we have here is power is equals to 1500 watt. So electrical energy is equals to, we don't know that, put it as question mark, and time taken is equals to 10 hours. Okay, so electrical energy is equals to P into T, the formula we have here. So that is 1500 into 10. What will be the answer? So 1500 into 10, the answer will be 15,000 watt per hour. Okay, so when we need to change it to kilowatt per hour, so we need to divide it by 1000, isn't it? So when we divide by 1000, we get the answer 15 kilowatt per hour. So it is easy and simple. With when we need to calculate to kilowatt per hour, we need to divide it by 1000. So answer we have got is 15 kilowatt per hour. Okay. And the next question we have here is the last question, that is find the energy in kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices of power 500 watt each. So here it is 4 devices. Okay, we need to take it as n. 4 devices means it is n. Find the energy of kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices of power 500 watt each. Okay, so let's write it as T is equals to 10 hour. Then n is equals to 4 devices means n, that is we have is 4, and the power consumed is 500. Okay, 500 watt it is. Okay, so electrical energy is equals to, the formula we have is n into p into t, isn't it? So that is equals to 4 into 500, p is 500, and t we have is, so you can write as like this, into, and 10. So when you multiply, and you will get the answer 20,000 kilowatt per hour. So when you need to calculate it for kilowatt, what you have to do? You need to divide it by 1000. So when you divide it by 1000, you will get the answer 20 kilowatt per hour. So this is the answer that you have got. Find the energy in kilowatt hours consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices of power 500 watt each is, the answer is 20 kilowatt per hour. Thank you.